Hello traders, so we are happy to announce that we have achieved our Nifty target of 26,000 which was predicted at the month end of August 31st. So you can watch that video. For the September expiry, we were expected Nifty to reach 26,000 and tomorrow is Nifty's expiry. And also if you watch my yesterday's analysis, we were long only Nifty and Bank Nifty and we said it will be sideways. So most of the day it was sideways only. Anyhow, the Bank Nifty was purely sideways and Nifty was given a 63 points positive closing. So let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player planning for tomorrow's expiry. So why we rely on FII data? Because if you see our analysis, it is 90% accurate. Why? Because FII never lose. There are always a gem. When they get the money to India from foreign currency converting into Indian rupees, they don't want to take a big bets. Even they are earning 2%, 3% fine, but their accuracy will be more while comparing to the retailers. So that's why we rely on them. So now let's check FII what they did in future index. They were having a long of 72% and short of 28% by yesterday. So today they have increased their longs, reduced their short by 3%. Now they have 75% long and 25% short. Option index call, they were having 7.67 lakh of call buying contract. Today they have unwinded only 22,000 contract. Still they have a call of 7.4 lakh contracts in call buying. Put, they were having 6.71 lakh of put buying contract. Now they have unwinded 5,000 contracts. Still they are holding 6.66 lakhs of put buying. Here call buying is slight more than put buying. It means there are slight positive in options now, but they are super bullish in future index. And we have seen they have sold in the cash market for 973 crores. So option buying versus selling, they have call buying of 63% and call writing of 37%, put buying of 57% and put writing of 43%. So these are in a contracts, not in rupees. Now let's check the client. Client are also known as retailers. Those are us. So in future index long, they were having 35% long and 65% short. So today they have made no changes, still carry forwarding the same trade of 35% long and 65% short. Option index, they were having 5.30 lakh contract in call writing. So today they have increased the call writing by 3.04 lakh contracts. So now they have 8.35 lakh of call writing contract. Whereas in put they were having a 4.27 lakh contract of put writing. Today they have increased their put writing contract by 1.63 lakh contracts. So they have 5.91 lakh of put writing. So slight negative positions they have in options, but most probably they have holding this position because to eat the premium on the both the sides. In cash market they have sold for 1297 crores. Option buying versus selling, call buying they were having 47%, call writing 53%, put buying 48%, put writing 52%. Client don't have any view as of now. Proprietor desk in future index long, they were having 38% long and 62% short. Today they have unwinded longs and increased the short by 8%. Now they have 30% long and 70% shorts. Option index call, they were having 2.39 lakh of call writing contract. Mostly they have unwinded all their positions. I think they were having a positions in Bank Nifty today. Now they have a fresh call buying of 88,000 contract. In put they were having 6.28 lakhs of put writing contract. Now they have unwinded 2.60 lakh of put writing, still holding 3.67 lakh of put writing contract. So in options they are positive, but futures they are negative. So they have hedge F&O. Now in cash market they have purchased for 255 crores. Option buying versus selling, call buying they have 51%, call writing 49%, put buying 46%, put writing 54%. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty's expiry will be tomorrow. So we have seen all the bearish contract towards call writing has been unwinded. So we have seen it 25,900, 25,950. And good thing we have seen maximum put writers has been added at all the single strikes. Mostly we have a very good support resistance at 26,000. So most probably it has to expire above 26,000 only. So Bank Nifty expiry will be on the 1st October. Here also we have seen a good number of put writing and call writing addition at 54,000. So this is a short straddle, people carry forwarding. Bank Nifty is purely sideways now. Now let's check the technical analysis. So before that, let's check global market. Dow is negative by 195 points, Nasdaq is positive by 46 points. India VIX at 12.7, very much comfortable. So there is nothing for the option buyers. So don't get trapped in option buying. You can think of option selling now. So what we have seen today in daily time frame, this is Nifty. So we have seen a bullish engulfing candle. So this pattern proved to be a bullish pattern only. So Nifty will be positive only. We will not short Nifty. So we can think on every dip to buy Nifty. So Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has closed with a bullish Mariposa candle. So anyhow Bank Nifty is also positive. So we will not short Bank Nifty also. On every dip we will try to go long in the Bank Nifty, but we will not short. Mostly Nifty and Bank Nifty is purely a sideways, but if we get opportunity we can think of long only. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.